Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to iron an organza saree. First, let's prepare our workspace. Make sure your iron is clean and free of any sticky residue that could transfer to your delicate fabric. Next, set up your ironing board with a smooth, clean cover. Finally, grab a thin cotton pressing cloth. This is crucial for protecting the organza from direct heat. Proper preparation makes the ironing process much smoother and safer for your beautiful saree. Now, let's talk about the actual ironing. Organza is very delicate, so always use a low heat setting on your iron, similar to what you'd use for silk. Place your pressing cloth over the organza before the iron touches it. Gently glide the iron over small sections, moving in one consistent direction. This technique helps to smooth out wrinkles without stretching or damaging the fabric, keeping your saree looking pristine. Dealing with stubborn wrinkles requires a gentle touch. If a wrinkle persists, lightly mist your pressing cloth with distilled water before ironing over it. Remember, avoid applying direct steam to the organza itself, as this can harm the delicate fibers. When you encounter embroidered or embellished sections, iron carefully around them, or place a soft towel underneath if ironing the reverse side to protect the intricate details. Once your organza saree is beautifully ironed, let it cool completely on a hanger. This allows the fabric to set and prevents new wrinkles from forming. For long-term storage, fold the saree neatly and place it in a breathable cotton or muslin bag. Avoid plastic covers, which can trap moisture. Remember, it's best to avoid hanging organza for extended periods, as its delicate nature can lead to stretching or losing its original shape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.